There is a banknote in Hong Kong that people call the gold cow. Not because of what it buys, though it buys plenty, but because in a city famous for its financial intensity, this note represents something more than money. The HK $1,000 is the highest denomination in Hong Kong's currency system, and it is one of the few currencies on earth where 3 different private banks, not the government, not the central bank, are legally authorized to issue their own version of the same note. If you have ever held a Hong Kong $1,000 bill and wondered what you were actually holding, the answer is more interesting than you might expect. Before any ink runs, cotton has already arrived. The HK $1,000 is made on 100% cotton fibra paper, not wood pulp, not polymer. Cotton paper that is produced at the Lusenthal Security Paper Mill in Bavaria, Germany, a Giesecke and Devrient subsidiary beside the Tegernsee Lake in the Bavarian Alps. At Lusenthal, long staple cotton fibre is processed through Hollander beating machines that abrade each individual fibre microscopically, developing surface bonding hairs that make the paper extraordinarily strong. Formed not by printing, but by the dandy roll pressing into the wet cotton fibres during paper formation, creating density variations that glow when the finished note is held to light. Now the cotton paper reaches Hong Kong Note Printing Limited, Kemple, at Tai Po Industrial Estate in the New Territories of Hong Kong. This is one of the most unusual security printing facilities anywhere in the world. Established originally by Thomas de la Rue in 1984 and subsequently acquired by the Hong Kong Monetary Authority in 1996, Hess & Pell prints banknotes simultaneously for 3 completely separate private note issuing banks. Hesper-C gets its own version. Standard Chartered Bank Hong Kong gets its own version. Bank of China Hong Kong gets its own version. All 3 are printed under the same roof, in the same building, at the same facility in Tai Po. The printing process begins with offset. Large advanced sheet, fed offset presses apply the warm gold and amber background design to both faces of every cotton paper sheet simultaneously in one single production pass. The simultaneous printing mechanism ensures the guilloche line patterns, the background colour zones, and the see-through register partial elements are all applied to front and back in perfect registration at exactly the same moment. After this offset pass, the Spooks building zone on the front face is nothing more than a flat gold rectangle. The building zone is coloured, but the architecture is simply not there yet. No lion, no structural details, no raised elements of any kind. The note has only completed stage 1. Then comes Intaglio, and this is where the HK $1,000 truly gets its soul. Deeply engraved hardened steel plates bearing the HBC building at Fung Queen's Road Central are inked completely across every engraved groove, then wiped perfectly clean across the flat non-engraved surface, and the cotton paper is pressed against them under enormous hydraulic force measured in tonnes per square centimetre. The cotton fibres physically push into the ink-filled engraved architectural grooves. As the paper separates from the plate, the thick intaglio ink is drawn out of the grooves and deposits on the cotton surface as raised ridges that stand physically above the cotton paper surface. Run your fingertip across the HBC building on a genuine HK $1,000 and you will feel the Foster & Partners architecture under your skin. The structural steel modules of one of the world's most photographed office buildings. The cross bracing, the facade details, all of it standing in physical raised relief. The iconic bronze lion Stit, who guards the entrance to a species Hong Kong headquarters and has been rubbed for good luck by generations of Hong Kongers, also appears in raised intaglio on the note's front face. Braille dots spelling 1000 are also applied in this intaglio pass, alongside tactile identification lines, giving visually impaired Hong Kong residents the ability to identify the denomination by touch alone. The back face receives its own separate intaglio pass. The 2018 series introduced for the first time in Hong Kong dollar history a vertical reverse design, a panoramic Victoria Harbour skyline running vertically up the back of every HK $1,000 note from all 3 banks. After Intaglio, a spark orbital optically variable ink element is screen printed at the denomination numeral position. Tilt the note and the gold 1000 shifts to vivid green, while three-dimensional circles appear to orbit through the numeral. An iridescent ink band in the bank logo zone shifts from gold to silver on tilt. Serial numbers are then applied by letterpress in Hong Kong dollars unique dual format. Horizontal black numbers running left to right, plus vertical red numbers running top to bottom, both carrying the same unique identifier for the same individual note. A transparent protective varnish seals every layer. Automated optical inspection confirms every parameter from UVA fibra presence to intaglio depth to spark orbital performance before the notes are cleared for cutting. The sheets are then cut to the exact finished dimensions of the HK $1,000 note, 163mm by 81.5mm. Each freshly cut individual note then passes through a high-speed sorting machine. Any note carrying a rejection mark from the automated inspection stage is automatically diverted. Approved notes are counted precisely and strapped in official packets of exactly 100 notes. Each packet represents 100,000 Hong Kong dollars. 10 packets are assembled into a brick of 1,000 notes, representing 1 million Hong Kong dollars, sealed in tamper-evident security packaging. Transfer cases are sealed jointly by HGMPL security officers and the respective note issuing bank's authorized representatives. Then something happens that is completely unique to Hong Kong's currency system. 3 separate armoured convoys depart Empel Tai Po simultaneously, each heading to a different private bank. SPA's convoy heading to Wong Queen's Road Central in Central. Standard Chartered's convoy heading to CB's vaults. Bank of China's convoy heading to box facilities.
Checkpoint confirmed.
3 banks.
Move the next one.
3 separate armoured convoys. 1 printing facility. 1 remarkable city. And now, as always promised from the beginning, let us return to the cotton and complete that story in full.
Move the trolley to the designated area. Confirmed. Stacks C and D are secure.
The long staple cotton fibre used for the HK $1,000 banknote paper is sourced from premium agricultural growing regions around the world where the specific soil and climate conditions produce fibre of exceptional individual strand length. Egypt's Nile Delta, with its legendary Giza cotton varieties, is one of the most historically significant sources for the global security paper industry. Select cotton-growing regions in the American South and parts of Central Asia also supply premium long-staple fibre to security paper mills worldwide. After mechanical harvest, the cotton goes to gin facilities where the white lint fibre is stripped cleanly from the seeds and plant debris and compressed under hydraulic force into large certified rectangular bales. Those bales travel to Louisenthal at Jimmond am Tegernsee in Bavaria, where they are opened, cleaned, beaten in the Hollander machines, enriched with UV security fibres and the magenta to gold window thread, formed into paper on the paper machine, the Bohemia watermark pressed in by the dandy, rolled during formation, dried, calendared, inspected, sheeted and sealed. Then the paper makes its journey from the Bavarian Alps to the new territories of Hong Kong. From a cotton plant in a field somewhere in the world, through a gin machine, an international shipping voyage, a Bavarian security paper mill, and the Hage MPL printing works at Tai Po in the new territories into the wallets of 7.5 million Hong Kong people.
Acknowledged.
The HK $1,000, the gold cow of Hong Kong. Made precisely this way.